Hi friends, welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and I am Barb. We're starting off with 1 cup of rice. Any kind of rice that you like. I am using the jasmine rice. And then we are going to get 1.5 cups of water. And you don't have to do a bouillon if you don't want to, but I want some flavor in my rice. So I am using a 1/2 tablespoon inside of my water. I'm trying to break down those little bumps. Okay, just pour that in there. Give it a stir. Pop your lid on there until your rice is done. Friends, before I put my lid, I am going to just put a tiny bit of olive oil because I don't want my rice to stick. Okay, now you can put the lid on. And now we're going to warm up that oven. Okay, we want to put in some mushrooms, sliced onions. Open up a can of cream of mushroom. And there we go. And just do that. Yep. Just mix that up there. Okay. Now we're going to take our pork chops. Pork steak. And, ooh, this, I'm wondering if I got a big enough pan. Okay. Just smush it in there. That's what we're going to do. Just, there we go. Make it make. Okay, and then we're going to pop this in the oven for 45 minutes or until our pork is done, okay? Another thing that I've done was I'm going to serve this with corn. I threw a tab of butter in there. And while I pop this in the oven with it is going to go some roasted veggies. I'm going to roast these up because I love these. And there is our pork steak. It is done. Just want to smear some of that juice on there. Just going to scoop it up. Scoopy scoop. Okay, I'm going to throw it right on that rice. And then even scoop that. Okay, I'm going to push that away. I want to get a bite of that pork steak. Oh God, that's fat. Put that aside because that's not what I like. Okay. Okay, right? Geez, I'm just fighting with this. There we go. I had also made, along with the rice, I made some Brussels sprouts and some corn. That tastes really good. And I had some rice with that too. And those flavors together were really amazing. Okay, friends, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe. But keep cooking, friends, and I love you all.